Hello and welcome. So I'm making this video in respect to those of us that want to go into content creating but don't really have the resources to video outside, create content, and don't even want to bother themselves, maybe because of family issues or because of work. Anyone, any which way, just know that in this video I'm going to tell you the other ways you can as well be a successful content creator. Please underline that word successful. Yes, you guys asked me this question when I posted it on my Facebook, and I've gone to work to get some do's and don'ts. Here I wrote them down, so you're gonna see all of them on your screen. So make sure you have your pen and papers at least to jot them down. You can as well screen grab it and save in your gallery, so you can go on, to check out on it. So you're highly welcome to my channel, Everyday with Grace. Please help us to subscribe, and then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Okay, number one thing is, I would say, it's a funny or a thoughtful revision of content that you did not originally create. Listen, in this, as in funny or thoughtful, you're gonna think outside the box. When a creator must have created a video and upload, you now check out, oh, what did this person do? Why did the person arrive at this? Why not do it this way? Okay, fine. Either you give it a kind of funny clue or you give it another direction using that the same clip. You can as well, YouTube will allow you to use a clip of somebody's video to create, a descriptive order, another dimension, maybe in a funny way, on a thoughtful way. Okay? Yeah, in this aspect, you're going to get original video of someone else. Then you draft out to your own. So making it stand out from what the person created. That's number one. Number two, a clip of other people's content as part of the critical revision. I'm reading it from here. You can be seeing it on the screen. Yeah, you can get clips of other people. Let's take for instance funny videos, some falls. There are some funny falls that are making that are getting thousands and millions of views. You can go check for them. You now do like combination of falls, you know, in 2024 this month, combination of funny falls, and all that, avoidable falls. Why did this person fall? Okay, because there was something there on the floor, or because someone pushed her or him, that made the person just bring out some silent points. Make sure you just video this one. You don't need to go outside, start shooting, start paying some people to come and video you to come and do this. Just in your room you can do this one. You can just create a particular video and use it as meme, kind of. You can make it in a funny way. Somebody may just fall down and you do something like that. Some reactive videos, so they also accept that one too. Then another one is a scene from a movie where you have rewritten the dialogue and change the voiceover. This one is for movie lovers, people that love movie. If you check channels that are into movies, promotion of movies, review of movies, and all that, you see that they're having, in less than 2 days, 3 days, they're having thousands and thousands and thousands of viewers, because maybe they brought out the silent points or a summary of a particular video. What you need to do in this aspect is you must be up to date with the latest movie. Okay, you can just go into the best 5 series in 2024, just the previous year. Of course, we that don't like watching movies, you can as well say, okay, these are the first 5 series. Okay, from the first one, you can just do something about it. It's easy, since you don't want to be carrying camera around your house. Maybe your children may not allow you, your work may not allow, but you really want to go into content creating. This niche I'm mentioning now is best for you. You don't need much for it. Okay. Another one is replay of sports tournament, where you explain what a competitor did to succeed or fail. This one is for people that love sports. For example, football. We were talking about Chelsea, Man U. I don't know their names because I'm not a football fan. So what about table tennis? What about all those sports? All of them. You can just any sport at all. You can just go into sports analysis. Okay, why did those people fail? Why did they remove coach? Why did coach give this person red flag? Just caption that particular point. You talk about it, go straight to the point. Put it in a way that is going to go slow motion so that you can bring out your facts, and YouTube will not, they will not sanction you at all. So because I meant to research before coming up with this, okay? So another one, the last but not the least I have here is edited footage from the creators where you added a story layer. This is just like the first one I did. Yeah. So yeah. So this in this all those ones I just mentioned, about six of them, the kind of content you can create, okay? Just placing your camera and you are almost done in less than 10-15 minutes. You should be done with bringing out the facts and analyzing it. Another way you can go about it is asking chat gpt, the application you can use in bringing out some hidden facts. Okay, yes, some chat gpt are good at that. You can just um ask ChatGPT, and you must describe what you want. You cannot just paste a link there and move on. No, you have to describe. Okay, bring up the silent point from this particular person. And if you don't want to do it that way, don't want to stretch your head that way. Okay, let's do it this way. There are some channels that are into all these things I just mentioned. There are just many of them. You can check on YouTube. You can check them sports channel. You will not see the participant. There are people that these ones are just kind of faceless channels. Okay, you can also videos, film and all that. Go to them, subscribe to their channel, like 3 4 of them. Check, cross match what they are doing, what this person is doing different from this person. You can as well get your own idea from there, and from there you can move. Let me tell you something. What you need is to work smart, be consistent, and be prayerful. Everybody can succeed. The sky is too big to accommodate all of us. Even if you don't want to go into all this because of the stress it's going to give you, fine and beautiful, you can go into what we call educational niche. How to do, because I've said this in my previous video. You can look out for people that are many people are joining YouTube every day, and some don't even know how to go about it. As you're a novice right now, many people are also novice a few hours ago, but now they are getting to know more things because they are watching videos. You can as well look for people that have succeeded in this part of niche of teaching people how to do something. Once they stop and upload the video, look out for what they said and how they did it. If you can do it, go into it. As long as it's your face, it's your channel, nobody is going to sanction you. Do you understand me? So succeeding on YouTube, Facebook, even TikTok is just little brainstorming and you're good to go. Not everybody have that ability to go out there, shoot a movie, shoot a little scene, play games. Maybe your spouse may not be the kind of camera kind of person. Your spouse may be busy. He may not be able to do it. You as a sit at home mom, you can as well start from this. Just get yourself a jotter. Look at what I want to achieve. Look at what I want to do, and you start from there. I tell you the truth. If you can do this in less than 3 months, you'll be glad you started long time ago. So people that are starting now, many of them had the opportunity to start years back, but because of one thing or the other, or they never believe. But right now they're just started. So please, you can just start right now and you won't regret it. So thank you so much for watching. I will be back in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you hate to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye bye. See you.